J-R. Happy kids, welcome. Cow. This is a cow. It says moo moo moo. It eats green grass and gets milk too.
Sheep. This is a sheep. It says ba ba ba. So soft and fluffy. La 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 la.
Pig. This is a pig. It says oink oink oink. It loves the mud and runs with a boing.
Chicken. This is a chicken. It says cluck cluck cluck. It lays eggs with lots of pluck. This is a horse. It says neigh neigh neigh. It gallops fast and loves to play. Goat. This is a goat. It says ma ma ma. It climbs the hills near and far. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. Hop 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 with long ears up and a little hop. Elephant. This is an elephant, big and strong, with a trunk that swings all day long.
Lion.
This is a lion. It says roar roar roar. King of the jungle, hear him roar. Tiger. This is a tiger with stripes so neat. It prowls the jungle on silent feet. This is a giraffe so very tall. It eats from trees and sees it all. Monkey. This is a monkey. Swing, swing, swing. It climbs the trees and loves to sing. Bear. This is a bear. It says grr, grr, grr. It loves honey. Yes, sir, sir, sir. Panda. This is a panda munching bamboo, so soft and cuddly, yes it's true. Dog. This is a dog. It says woof woof woof. It wags its tail and runs on the roof. Cat. This is a cat. It says meow meow meow. It sleeps and stretches here and now.
Subscribe for more